Have you ever noticed after a breakup, the loyal one stays single until they are healed, and the cheater is already in another relationship? The loyal one is completely invested, and that's why when it's over, it takes them time to heal and grow. They don't just jump into another relationship because, emotionally, they are exhausted and need time alone. Cheaters need more than one partner to feed their ego, so they already have somebody else in line to replace you when the relationship goes bad. Loyal people choose healing over rebound, growth over games. They build themselves back up brick by brick, while the cheater keeps running in circles, chasing validation.